Hello guys, hi! We're here now at Westgate because I have an appointment at Karada. So it's a 60-minute AP and BT by a local trainer. I got this from Deal Grocer. Di ko alam kung anong gagawin, but apparently it's good for your back. I think they're going to straighten you out. Pero, you know, I've been having back problems since about April or May. Matagal na. I've seen a rehab doctor. I've been having PT sessions. Although, they help naman. Parang constant eh. It's become chronic pain. So, when my rehab doctor gave me the go signal to have massages or ganitong mga iba't ibang klaseng what do you call this? Rehab. Hindi naman siya rehab eh. More on wellness. So, I got it na. I got it from DG. I'll try to show you kung anong gagawin sa akin later on, and then I'll give you my feedback. My appointment is at 1 p.m. It's now 12:56, so let's go! So, ito na siya. Karada. Let's look at the sign. Karada. Massage, muscular pain healing, body therapy, stress relief, bone alignment, detoxification. So, I hope this works. Let's go in. Okay, so kakatapos ko lang. It lasted a little bit more than an hour, which is good. Pero parang baka malate ako sa office. So, I'm going to the car now. I'm walking to the car. Doon na ako mag-vlog pagdating ko sa parking sa office. Doon ko na kwento sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari, okay? Okay, I'm at the office na, nakapark na ako. So, I just wanted to be here first bago ko i-review, baka mawalan kasi ako ng parking. So anyway, the procedure, it had two parts. So the first part is called PT or BA. But anyway, it was in two parts. Yung first part, it's really a lot of pulling, pushing, prodding, poking. Admittedly, there were times na masakit siya, as in masakit. Mataas na yung tolerance ko sa pain, pero nasaktan pa rin ako. Sinasabi ko kay ate, dun sa ate, masakit siya. So apparently, lalo na dito behind the neck, marami tayong points na hindi natin na aasikaso, hindi natin alam na masakit. It's because of our posture pag natutulog. So apparently, yung unan ko, I guess it's too hard or too flat. So dapat daw medyo rotate pa rin yung neck natin. And then, she went downwards, my back, lower back kasi talaga yung main concern ko. So, she worked on that as well. And, grabe, as in, napatunog niya lahat ng buto ko sa likod. From top to bottom. First time ko ma-experience na talagang lahat. Dito lalo, nakakagulat. Sorry pala, wala akong footage. I wasn't able to take any footage kasi nakaganyan ako. And then there were also other patients or other clients in the room. So, nakakahiya naman. The second part, more on parang pressing from your neck downwards. Masakit din siya, pero marirelieve ka. Kasi si ate, the second ate, dalawa sila, grabe yung kamay niya, sobrang lakas na pinabawasan ko pa. Sabi ko, ate, medyo masakit na. Pero pag tinignan mo, payat-payat. Pero ang galing kasi pinanggigilan niya talaga yung mga lamig, yung mga muscular tension that we have. And, of course, ang cause naman ng ating muscle tension is stress, posture. So, for those of you who are experiencing this kind of pain, I really advise you, 10 out of 10, try Karada. I got it from Deal Grocer. Sana meron pa rin. Check it out. But if not, I think they have a website naman with their prices, with their services. I'll try to link the website also in the description box. Kasi talagang it's a different kind of relief. Nare-relieve ako sa PT because of the machines. We use so many machines. Pero this time, kahit puro kamay lang siya, parang ang daming nawalang toxins, ang daming nawalang gas sa katawan ko. Also, kahit hindi siya medical, I feel it, syempre hindi siya medical, more on therapeutic, ma-feel mo talaga na gumaan yung pakiramdam. A little downside to it, while they're working on you, medyo may sales talk, syempre meron kaming promo, ganito, or may gift certificate kami. I understand naman, I guess it's part of their job. Pero syempre nakakawala ng concentration, diba? But nevertheless, it was a very good experience. I hope all of you get to try it, and I hope you found this review very informative. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!